Hello and welcome back. Or if this is your first time tuning in, then welcome to 60 Second Tech, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to enhance your digital literacy in only 60 seconds or less. My name is Dalton, your friendly neighborhood librarian from the Paul Sawyer Public Library. In today's episode, we're going to start a three-part series that I have titled the Ease of Access series. When using your computer, it's important to understand that there are accessibility features available to you in your computer software. This is a great opportunity for individuals who experience difficulties in vision, hearing, or even speech to be able to engage with their computer more effectively and just make that experience even better. So today we're going to start with vision accessibility features. If this sounds like something that can benefit you, then let's start the clock and get started. To begin, locate your settings library, then select accessibility. Right away, we can see that the first category is vision. Beginning with display, this location enables the user to adjust the size of on-screen text, the size of applications, and define how bright you wish your screen to be. In addition, using the magnifying tool, also found within the vision library, enables the user to easily zoom in and out of their screen with little to no fuss. Next, let's select mouse pointer. Here, you determine the size of your cursor as well as apply a more recognizable color. But color adjustments are not limited to only your cursor. Once selecting the Color Filters tab, we can see options for changing the entire color scheme of your system's display, a resourceful tool for color blindness. You can further this function using the High Contrast tab and completely invert your system's display. Our last tip of the day is utilizing an on-screen keyboard, a great tool for difficult-to-read keyboards. Under the Interactions section, select Keyboard, then toggle on under this function. Benefits of this include size adjustments as well as contrast between keys. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and as always, I greatly appreciate your time and willingness to want to enhance your digital literacy. My name is Dalton, and until next time, I'll see you later.